Hi everyone, today I've picked 3 new Zentangle patterns to learn and I invite you to try them with me. As the title of this video suggests, this is another Tangled Talk episode with a full voiceover from yours truly. I've said it before, I'll say it again. If that's not your thing, mute me and turn on some music or just skip this video altogether. Izzy apologizes for not making an appearance today, by the way. She's currently self-isolating. Alright, so about today's patterns. When I say they're new, I mean of course that they're new to me. I'll be following instructions from the website tanglepatterns.com as best as I can, but this will be my first time, so expect to see some mistakes. Links for each pattern are in the description in case you want to see step-by-step directions from someone who actually knows what they're doing. So, things are going okay here for the most part. The sun is shining today as I'm recording this voiceover. The windows are open and I can actually smell that our neighbor is out grilling and hear lawnmowers in the distance. Kids are playing in their yards. It's lovely to have the windows open and be reminded that at least spring hasn't been canceled. Dan and I are good for now. I have plenty of anxiety still, but most of it's just me worrying about other people, to be honest. My parents, cancer friends who are trying to navigate treatment in the age of coronavirus. I always tend to worry more about things outside my control than about things that, might be happening right under my nose. Anyway, we've got what we need as far as food and household goods go. The only thing I can't get my hands on is a normal roll of paper towels. I mean, I have seen those heavy-duty shop towels available and stuff, in case somebody's gonna recommend those, but really that's just overkill for us. Today, I did manage to make a tuna casserole without burning myself. That's always a win. Tuna casserole is one of those comfort meals that takes me back to my childhood. We ate a lot of casseroles in the 80s and 90s. I have more good news to share this episode too, and that is that my attorney won my long-term disability appeal against Lincoln Financial Group. If you're not familiar with that part of my story, I've written a ton about it on my blog in the past year or so. Also, I made a video about it several months ago, which I'm going to link to in the top right of this video if you're interested in checking that out. Another cool thing that happened this week is that I had a chance to do a video interview with Rudy Fishman, the host of Brain Cancer Diaries. And I talked to him a little bit about Zentangles, my memoir, insurance, and the general state of healthcare in the U.S. I'll try to remember to make an announcement here when he has a chance to post that video. But in the meantime, I do encourage you to check out Brain Cancer Diaries and subscribe. Of course, link will be in the description. What else to mention? Oh yeah, another fun thing I did this past week is cut my own hair. Here's the before and after. This is not the first time I've had such a shortcut. Right before chemo and radiation in 2017, I decided I was going to shave my whole head. Anyway, I'd been growing my hair out for about 2 years after treatments ended, and in that time I've learned that I just need to have my hair short. It's a whole lot easier for my broken body to maintain. It saves me a ton of money on shampoo and styling products, and it doesn't mess with all the screwed up nerves in my head and neck the way longer hair does. My mom, who used to be a hairstylist, was going to visit and give me a proper haircut, but then coronavirus changed all that. But there was just no way I could go another month or more with it long and with all those split ends, so I just took matters into my own hands. I just couldn't handle it anymore. I sent her that picture, that selfie that I just showed you, and I texted, "Look, Mom, I cut my own hair." And she replied back, "You sure did." But I feel so much freer now, and taking control of just that one little thing has been good for my mental health. One thing cancer has taught me is that it's important for me to take control where I can, to feel empowered, when so much else is entirely out of my hands. And if it's not cancer, then it's just like the state of the world. Anyway, it looks like it's time for me to wrap this up. Thanks for joining me for this Tangled Talk. I hope you stay safe and healthy. Until I can upload another video, you can always find me ranting on Twitter, posting Zentangles on Instagram, and blogging everything else at emilycease.com. See you again soon.